Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are planning in my social media planner for the week of April 4th through April 10th. This is the fourth in the Megabook series. The third one, which was for last week, is going up today. And then, well, today for me. And then this one should be coming up tomorrow. So last week's is kind of like last week's, but the point of them is to show you what you can do with the Megabooks and not necessarily what day of the month it is. So I'm not really concerned about that, because that's not its purpose. I mean, I could be doing these in June, on June pages if I, wanted to. The point is the books. So with that in mind, we are using the First Florals Megabook today. And the First Florals Megabook looks like this. It says Flower Power on the front, which is, I guess, reminiscent of hippies in the 60s, but that's not what the interior is like. So in case you don't have this book, I'll quickly flip through what is in here, which hopefully you can see. So this is the kind of stuff that's in here. This book is still available in multiple places. I think I even saw it at the Store of Disappointment, so it's out there. I think it's on Happy Planner's website. I also pulled the Rainbow book and some stickers that I thought might go with this in case I need them. There are boxes in here, so might not need it, but since that can't be one on its own, technically I suppose it could, but it'd be much less decorative. So anyway, I pulled that in case I need it from here, and then I grabbed these washi tapes. The one on the left is, I think it shows up on the left, I don't know, the very flowery one, which should be showing up on, well, it's my left, I don't know. Anyway, this one goes very well with these florals, and then this one I think might go with it, so I'm probably definitely using this one. I don't know about this one. That one's kind of a maybe, but that floral one definitely goes with it, and both of those come from that set with the, like the scissors and the sticker book and the washi tape. That's from that set. And I haven't actually used those in anything yet, so that's kind of exciting. Alright, so we're going to start with this side of the page, as we usually do, and I'll try to keep the sticker book from taking up all the room on the screen. Problem is I have limited space. I went through this. I mean, there's a whole bunch of different sets that I could have gone with, and I liked them all. But ultimately, the one I picked, I think, goes with my mood today. So I'm actually starting much later in the morning than I usually do, because I was out in the front of my house. My perennials are coming back to life. So my echinacea is growing, my calendula is growing, my strawberries are growing, the blueberry bushes are budding. What else was out there? I think that was it. Oh, and my geranium. Geraniums, mums that you buy like in the fall, they're perennial. Don't throw them away. Give them a bigger pot. Leave them outside. Just leave them alone. They come back. In the spring, you'll start to see little green leaves growing in the base. Cut away all the branches from the prior year, and you'll have a brand new geranium that will flower in the fall and look really pretty. Alright, so we've whited out the things that we do not use. I've been sick for 2 weeks now, so the whole concept of April is a little baffling for me. There are these very gold boxes that you can see over here. We are not using these. That is too much gold for me. So we're going to start with flowers, and there are clear flowers, and there are a couple of sheets of paper flowers. And I want to use the paper flowers over this box because I'm sick of having to use all the flowers to cover this box. So, it's becoming a thing now. Okay. So we're going to spread them out. There's also a lot of greenery here with this page. But since I know that I'm going to put a box here, I just kind of want to make sure that the flowers stick out, which is what I always do. I'll start with flowers that have leaves. I'm not sure about that, but we have extra leaves. That encroached on that a little bit, but that's okay because I'm not really going to use that either, so I use some of it, not all of it. Alright. Now this one, hey. It's the clear ones that are supposed to hop on the page, not the paper ones. Where are the scissors? I have like so much stuff because I'm so behind. Like, I'm ahead. I have videos to edit, but I'm behind because I haven't been able to edit because I'm just so tired. Like, I spend almost all my time, like, asleep. I get a little work done, I get a little planning done, but I'm mostly just, like, asleep. So, it's a little depressing, really. It was nice to go outside and see that my plants are coming back, and I was able to cut them back, and they're going to grow very nicely. And that means, okay, we can fix that. It's all right. Okay. Tweezers. I guess it ripped from underneath. So I'll try to get this back together as much as possible. It's not that great. Could be worse. I think this last paper flower will go here. Cover as much of that gray as possible. And then let's pick a box or boxes, and then we'll see what we might need to cover with little leaves or clearer florals. See, there's very few, like, there's no big boxes in here. Oh my goodness, they are ripping. Okay. I need to be more careful. Alright, that one wants to go there. I think what we're going to do is these two vertical boxes, because this is not a vertical planter, we're just going to make them into their own kind of bizarre looking double box. Come here, you. Alright, and clearly we're going to need something under there. So let's see what we got. We have leaves. We can do leaves. Alright, that's not bad. Just a couple. We have not done the monthly yet. You did not miss the monthly. That is on the schedule for this week. Yes, it's a little behind. Everything's a little behind. I've been sick. Alright. But I need this to be working for me, so this got priority. It is Tuesday morning, so we have espresso on deck, and it's not doing near the job it usually does. Alright. Now, let's maybe get some sort of box in here. I like this one. I want to layer it. I don't think I layered them right. And I don't think they're gonna come up. Okay, it came up. Hopefully that will stick. If not, we have tape runner, so it's okay. Well, there's an interesting idea. No, maybe later. Okay. Now I saw. Where was it? This one. I don't know if this will work or not. It seems like a nice continuation of those. There are lines. How much whiteout do I want to use? Does that really look okay there? Like, I've killed the ability to use it here now because of the boxes, but does this really go here, or is this just overkill? I don't know. I'm thinking, no. No. Okay. Now we have to pull the backing off in order to get this sticker back on. Okay. Oh, on the bright inside now. These are free of their background. Okay. So maybe I don't want to do that. Turns out there is another sheet of these paper flowers. What I don't want to do is put down my boxes and then regret the lack of flowers. But I'm also not going to go, you know, berserk like that one layout where, you know, there's too many flowers. Okay. Alright, let's do some boxes. Alright, so we've got that box. We need... Oops. Okay. So we need a YouTube box. We need an Instagram box. Oops. How badly did I mangle that? Okay. No. Something underneath that. What have we got? Can't be too big. No. Alright. Okay, I like that. Oh, my dog is barking. My dog is barking. Oh dear. Did I ever mention that the front door is like right there? I don't know what she's barking at. We're not expecting anyone. I'm not expecting any deliveries, and it is way too early for my mailman. So I have no idea what has set her off. I do find it somewhat amusing. She is determined that there is someone out there who must be stopped. Poor doggy. Piper, you will never learn. Okay. Alright, so now those have headers. Like I said, I use about half of this. It's not worth the whiteout to cover all these lines and boxes, like down here. It's just not. So I'm going to put a clear floral here. Oops. No. Maybe we'll do two. Do this minty one. Come here. There we go. Alright. Okay, so I think that side might be done. We might do something with the top, but I think overall this side is good. Now, here's where we run into a problem. There are no bullets in this book. There aren't even checklists in this book. There are just like tiny washi strips. And they don't even make it across this gray bar. So we are going to need to bring in the new Rainbow Boxes book. And I did flag boxes that I thought might go with this, but now that we've gone like full color, I'm not sure. But let's see if maybe we can find something close. Like pretty much the options are like pastel, black, ugly metal, and then this like very bright rainbow. And really, I don't know. I think these pastels might be our best shot, right? Like those match, kind of. That green match. All right, that's going to be our best shot. So I do believe, because I don't remember seeing bullets in here, but I did see little checklists, and I'm wondering if these are the kind that line up. Ah, not on the table. There are some that apparently line up perfectly for dashboards. This might be one of them. Let's see. Yes. Okay, so problem solved. At least for this. Alright, that one's crooked, but it works. I'm not really sure where the best place to hold these is. Maybe if I line them up on the bottom box? Alright, that seemed to be easier. It's so nice when things fit. Alright, that one's a little off. Okay. Still working. Okay, I put the purple on purpose over here because there's one here and I don't want it to be like two purples and two blues. So I just move them over and balance them out. Okay. Awesome. I think that's the fastest that we have ever put anything down on there. I didn't have to speed anything up. That was great. Okay, now, I do like to put boxes here, but it's not like a deal breaker. Oh, alright. We have boxes. Alright. Ooh, you know what? I think we can make them match, too. Let's go matchy-matchy. I like it. I'm already starting to think I'm going to have to buy another one of these books. I don't necessarily know what's making me think that, other than I can very easily completely destroy an entire page of one of these things, probably in one spread. Let's see, peachy. We need the peachy. Maybe 2 or 3 spreads. It depends on what it is. If I'm using this in a big, yeah, we're gonna have a problem. Purple. Blue, and we need a pink. Alright, cool. I still have yet to see, however, something that would fit over that bar. None of these seem to be long enough. Oh, those are cute. I like those squares. I mean, I could do sticker surgery and like mangle 2 or 3 stickers and make it fit, but it doesn't seem right. Yeah, these are all too short. Or too thick and too short. That one might fit. It's ugly. I wonder if we have another color choice for that. No, because now we're at the beginning. Yeah. Okay, so it's that or washi or nothing. Let's see if the washi... I don't think the washi will fit. I think it's too thin. This is what, like 10 millimeter? 5 millimeter? I forget which one is bigger. Huh? This might fit. maybe? No, it still leaves a bottom shadow. I would need to double it. What do you guys think? I mean, it's washi. We can pull it back up, right? So let's see what it looks like if we double it. Do we want it to be exact? Or... have it be less exact? Stagger it a little. Don't want to cover the Monday. Like, I need room for Monday. Which was yesterday. Did I release a video yesterday? I don't honestly remember. I don't know. I don't like it. I think... oh, you know what? I've got some beige on that other page that does not match anything else. I've got this beige that matches nothing. Let's see. Where's that bookmark? Because we do have beige in this book. So what color would the long one be, assuming that each set gets one of those long ones? It does. It does match that. Pretty much as close as I think I'm going to be able to get. So... perfect. It's ugly, but it's perfect. Okay. So now I think we just need some flowers over here, and we should be okay. We are definitely going to need the scissors. Do we want to put washi along the bottom? I hate to waste it because it does match so well with the florals, unless I've lost my mind. You guys see it? No. It's like it matches these florals. And it's got like spriggy leaves instead of full leaves. Maybe not. See if I can get it to go back on the roll, because we already wasted like 2 big pieces. Alright, it's mostly back on. I'll mess with that later. What about this one? This is pretty. It's got flowers that match. I don't necessarily know about the happy part, but I think I like that one. Now, can I fit it here? I can, I just have to cover some stuff, which I'm not against. Okay. Oh, Mickey, or Mickey replacement, whatever we got over here. I don't know what I did with Mickey. He might have just fallen over in this mess that I have the nerve to call an organized. It's not. It used to be. It's not anymore. Alright, we're just going to use one of these. I just need something to make a straight edge. Okay, let's stick that there. Okay. So I always say, oh, we're almost done, and then I add like 12 other things. So it's always a good idea to stick around and see what I change my mind about. one of these days something ridiculous will happen and I'll end up like taking out the undo or something, undoing the whole thing and starting over. Alright, that is not going to work with this because I did not give it enough room. I have to trust my scissors. Okay. Alright. Do I want to put flowers along the top? I don't know. I think this is good. Let's get rid of the sticker books. So we've got more space, sort of. Alright, so like here's the top half. Here's the bottom half. I gotta do something about this angle. I can make it a little bit. You guys are just gonna have to like see the edge of the table, I guess. Is that working? Here's the top. Yeah. Alright. I think that's the best I'm gonna be able to get it all in frame. Maybe? This little screen drives me nuts. Alright, I think we've got it all on the screen. Awesome. Okay. So, I hope you enjoyed the... Is this the third or the fourth installment of the Megabook series? Let me... Hold on. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4... We already did 4. This is the 5th installment of the Megabook series. Wow. Okay. And I believe we have 1 more to go after this. Because I think there's 6. And then there's this. Which it really can't be. I mean, it can, but it's going to be the most Spartan layout ever. I suppose we could give it a shot. Maybe I can learn to doodle by then. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of... Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one.